The equation of a curve is y is equal to bracket 2x minus 3 cubed minus 6x. Part 1, express dy dx and d2y over dx2 in terms of x, 3 marks. Saka tinoiweka sei iyi. What we just do here, part 1, we know that y is equal to 2x minus 3 cubed minus 6x. And I just want to bring us to remembrance, takati kana y iri equal to ax plus b to the power n, the derivative of this is equal to n inodzika ax plus b to the power n minus 1 multiplying the inner derivative, which is a. Out this will be an ax plus b to the power n minus 1. You can go and revisit your notes where we did differentiation of complex algebraic expressions. Let us continue with this. What it means is pakutsvaga this dy dx kungodai so dy dx is equal to, then 3 anodona over 3 2x minus 3 to the power chi 3 minus 1, and this is multiplying the inner derivative. Saka tika differentiate zvimukati me bracket 2x minus 3 tinoona kuti part ya 2x tinowana 2 as part ya minus 3 is a constant, so it's 0. Then tikazo differentiate minus 6x tikungowana chi minus 6. That's the derivative of minus 6x. Correct, our answer here is 3 2x minus 3 squared like this times 2 minus 6. Remember basic BODMAS, BOMDAS, however you call it. Kuti we start with multiplication. Saka 3 times 2, that's 6. 2x minus 3 squared minus 6. So this is the answer for the first derivative. Ndopa inogumira. Uye question yedu yatoti in terms of x. Koroti tinongoisiya ina x sezvairi. Let us answer the second part of our question. Irikuda the second derivative. Saka chinonzi second derivative d2y over dx2. Tiri kungotsvaga derivative ye derivative. Saka tawana dy dx panapa. Tikutora dy dx yatawana this value. Totsvaga chi its derivative. Manzwisisa ndozvoroti second derivative. Kutsvaga derivative ye derivative. Saka derivative tiri kudifferentiate dy dx. Ndozvatiri kureva. We are differentiating dy dx. So dy dx ndeani? The 6 bracket 2x minus 3 squared minus 6. This is the time you have to verify kuti hamuna here mistake yamaita apa. Because this is, kana maita mistake panapa, you are directly affecting answer yapa. So 2 akadona inova chi 6 times 2 bracket 2x minus 3 to the power chi 2 minus 1 times inner derivative yemukati me bracket ndi 2, then minus 6, derivative a constant, cannot derivative a just a number, is 0. And so what is this equal to? This is equal to 6 squared, that is 12. 6 times 2, that is 12. Panapa is 2x minus 3 to the power 1. We can elect not to write it, times 2. 12 times 2 into 24. So this is 24 bracket 2x minus 3, which we can leave like this, or we can choose to then say what is 24 times 2 tinoona kuti ndi 48. Saka togona kunyora takati 48x minus, we are just expanding the brackets by the way, 24 times 3, which is 72. You can elect to write it like that. Saka natadaiso tapedza. Maona zvaitika? Tatsvaka the derivative dy dx. d2y over dx tozoreva kuti tirikuda kudifferentiate dy dx. Ndozvataita panapa tikawana this particular answer. The second part iri kuti find the coordinates and find the x coordinates of the two stationary points and determine the nature of each stationary point. Saka they vanoita seko vanobatanidza questions aya. You have to break them down to make sure you have answered the question completely. So the first demand of the question, find the x coordinates of the two stationary points. Tati tikaona pakanzi stationary as a keyword, what should we think about and what should we write? We are now answering the second part. Tinobva tatonyora kuti at stationary point, at the stationary point, and chinoitika pa stationary point, we can put a semicolon instead. Dy dx is equal to 0. That's the stationary point, cannot turning point. But as you can see, they love saying stationary point because it's also a certain layer of negative genius in asking. If you don't know that a stationary point is a turning point, unenge watoomerwa. Okay? Saka taona manje kuti dy dx is equal to 0. We have to replace dy dx. Calculate dy dx. Remember panapa. Saka dy dx is replaced by this derivative. Saka kuno kuteta ngoti 6 bracket 2x minus 3 squared minus 6 is equal to 0. So there are methods of going about this. We can speak about chekutanga expanding this part in a 2x minus 3 squared and stuff. You can do that, you still get to the answer. Or I must do both methods. You know, I love doing showing off. So let us do a simpler method first, then we do a longer method next. So the simpler method panapa, we just send minus 6 kuside uko. Korotin gear 6, 2x minus 3 squared is equal to 6. Then of course we can divide both sides na 6. Ma 6 ayaru kuchekana, kunoko chekana, kuroti kuri kusara 1. Saka inge yachi 2x minus 3 squared is equal to 1. So iri 2x minus 3 squared is equal to 1. Tinobvisa seka to the power 2 aka nekuintroduce a square root. But zvataita ku left ndo zvatoita ku right. We are fair people. Twatadai so foot. Saka kuno kutato cancel this squared. Kurot kwasara kuina 2x minus 3 is equal to. What is the square root of 1? Mistake manje neta vanhu vazhinji. Kusaziva kuti kuno kutonyorwa to plus or minus 1. The square root of 1 is plus or minus 1. 1 times 1 d 1 minus 1 times minus 1 d 1. That's important. Kureva kuti 2x iri equal to 3 minus 3 aenda uko plus or minus 1. Anditi? Saka 2x iri equal to 3 plus 1 or 2x iri equal to 3 minus 1. Tadambura plus or minus. Saka toti 3 plus 1. Kana kuti 3 minus 1. Pakuti kana kutapa. Kana kuri kuchirungu ndiyo oro. Kureva kuti 2x kunoko iri equal to 3 plus 1 di 4. Tika divide both sides na 2. X ingeri equal to chi. Kunoko so chekana 2 into 2 1 and into 4 ndi 2. X ingeri equal to 2. Then kuside kunoko tiri kuti 2x is equal to chi. 3 minus 1 then di 2. Saka ma 2 aya achekana in that way x is equals to 1. And saka ma2 anogona kuchekana or you divide both sides na2 depending on what you are comfortable with. Saka panapa takungoti therefore x iri equal to 2 or 1. That's the answer we are getting. Saka aya ndo ma values a x kana tiri pama turning points. Like we showed in our previous question, kuri kuti graph ridu rakadai. And panapa ndo panenge paina 1 apa paina 2. So the point we have a turning point or a stationary point. The value of x ndi 1 and the value of x ndi 2 zvakare. Saka our wave is going to have some semblance of this. Okay. Let us see kuti ta answer everything here, which I doubt, of course, Atina. But let's see. But before we see anything, I had promised a method number 2. Saka method number 2, I'm going to put it in yellow. It's an alternative of how to do things. And where exactly do we want to start it? Toda kuitangira panapa pa 6 2x minus 3 squared minus 6 is equal to 0. Ndo patikuda kuitangira. So to make life easier, we can togona tutanga tadi ta divider na 6 throughout, including after the equal sign. Kana amungona panapa tinongowana 0 kuroti kuri kuti munhu anga asina kuti over 6 aingowana 0, but examiner akasaona over 6 kana aine stress zvero rangona kutocheka ipapa, because you haven't demonstrated mathematical principle. Saka ma 6 aya ari kuchekana, iyo yongopinda umo 0 times. Kuroti panapa tikusara tina 2x minus 3 squared. Remember 6 into 6 ndi 1, saka pa it's minus 1 is equal to 0. And then let us expand here. 2x minus 3 is equal to minus 1, I'm sorry, sakangano wawo is equal to 0. Saka 2x times 2x form 2 expansion, the 4x squared. 2x times minus 3 minus 6x minus 3 times 2x minus 6x minus 3 times minus 3 plus 9 minus 1 is equal to 0. And it saka 4x squared minus 6x minus 6x the minus 12x 9 minus 1 the 8, so plus 8 is equals to 0. But 4 12 8 is a common factor the 4. So tikadivide panapa na 4 upon 4 upon 4 kuseri kwe shumba kune uchi, kuseri kwe equal sign kuna 0 ikoko, todivide futi na 4 ma 4 cheka na 4 into 4 1 into 12 ndi 3, 4 into 4 1 into 8 ndi 2. Saka po it's x squared minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Saka basic solving 2x squared, factors of 2x squared such that multiply them they give us 2x, add them they give us minus 3x, so it's minus 2x minus 3x. And yes, so panapa tangot x squared minus 2x minus x plus 2 is equal to 0. Toisa ma brackets edu sema swaese tobuditsa x, saka it's x minus 2, tobuditsa minus 1 x minus 2. Confirm x squared, x times x times minus 2 minus 2x minus 1 times x the minus x, and minus 1 times minus 2 the 2. That's why it's a minus panapa. This is equals to 0. Shinongoreva kuti x minus 1 and kana kuti x minus 2 zviri equal to 0. Sapanapa teta kuti x minus 1 is equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0. Saka x panapa is equal to minus 1 akajamba noita 1 or x apo inenge iri equal to minus 2 akajamba anoita 2 and saka therefore x is equal to 1 or 2. As you can see betunana, as you can see kuti zvafanana izvi mapaona. Saka pick your poison. Iri smart, it's Einsteinian but there are no marks for bravery unfortunately. Saka pick what works for you. Chakakosha is the answer. That said, let us go back to the question. Tripa part 2, remember. Find the x coordinates of the two stationary points tamawana d1 na 2 and determine the nature of each stationary point. Saka, we want to determine the nature of each stationary point. So when we are talking about the nature of each stationary point, then we want to deal with this part, okay? Saka, let us put a boundary here, like that. Okay. So tiri panapa manje taona kuti x angari 2 pamwe angari 1 kana tiri pama stationary points, but tanzi tite determine the nature of these stationary points. So the first thing you write to answer the second part and it. Yes, let us read the question again. Find the coordinates of the two stationary points and determine. Sakatawana the coordinates of the two stationary points, 1 or 2. Zakuzichinzi and determine the nature of each stationary point. So we want to determine the nature now. Saka kuti tite determine the nature, the moment question painoti nature, you have to write this simple statement. Nature of turning points and is determined by d2y dx2. The nature of turning points tinoiwana tichishandisa d2y dx2. So let us first find d2y dx2, then I will explain zvinoda kuexplainiwa when it becomes of need. So kuti tizive d2y dx2 tinotanga taziva kuti dy dx ndeani. Saka dy dx tatomboisolva kuside kunoko, and fortunately tatosolva futi d2y dx2 ndo angari mademands first question. Saka we can just take 48x minus 72. Saka panapa instead of kudzokorodza zvananda kuda kuita, we can just take tinongoya panototi d2y because tatoicalculate kudhara dx2 is equal to 48x minus 72. Let's confirm. Yes. Okay. Then manje question iri kuti, when we have stationary points, what are the nature of the stationary points? Saka statement redu iri nature of turning points kana kuti stationary points. By the way, panapa mamuchigona kuti stationary points ndangojara kuti turning points is determined by the second derivative. So taziva second derivative tinenge takungoti when turning point kana kuti when x is equal to 1, what is the nature of the turning point of x is equal to 1? So to get this, we just substitute 1 pana x in this, and saka it's simply d2y dx2 is equal to 48. We substitute 1 minus 72. What answer do we get? Saka it's basically 48 because 48 times 1 is 48 minus 72 tinowana minus 24. But the reason yatiri kuwanira number iyi haina imwe reason kunze this reason. Tinenge takunyora a conclusion toti therefore and d2y dx2 is it greater than 0 or less than? As we can see up, it's less than 0. And kana iri less than 0 zvoreva kuti we have chi, we have a maximum turning point. Just a reminder, we learned kuti when the second derivative, so dy apa dx2, when the second derivative is greater than 0, tinenge tiine a minimum turning point. Asi kana second derivative iri less than 0, tine a maximum. And saka greater than 0 a minimum, less than 0 a maximum, you should sense some form of paradox here up. You should sense it. Okay. Saka tawana what the turning point is, what the nature of the turning point is when x is equal to 1. Let us do the same when x is equal to 2, since the other value of x are 2. So panapata kuti when x is equal to 2 and d2y dx2 inenge iri equal to, we are substituting, remember yatanga iri 48x minus 72, saka apa it's 48 times 2 minus 72. What is this equal to? Saka 48 times 2 is equal to 96, and we are saying 96 minus 72 tinowana 24. And the 24 is it a positive or a negative? Toona kuti it's a positive. Saka tiri kuita our conclusion d2y dx2, in this case it's greater than 0, kureva kuti we have a minimum turning point. Just like this, beautifully as it is. So this is how it's done. This is how it's done. You have to understand it. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. But this is how it is done.